Hi, meet Juan. Juan works for one of Sonepar's suppliers and is responsible for processing orders. He is just preparing for today's batch. In order to keep different orders physically separated from each other, Juan needs to pick and pack them in separate cartons, order by order. And each order needs to be properly documented. How does Juan do this? First, he prints the picking lists for today's orders. Then he takes the picking list for the first order and picks the items listed, keeping track of completed order lines. Once picking is finished, Juan puts all the items for the order in a carton. He makes sure that same items are put next to each other to guarantee quick and easy unpacking upon arrival at Sonepar. Now he prepares the packing list for this order. This list shows all the items in the carton and should be attached to the carton in an envelope. Juan repeats the process for each order, picking and packing until done. Now the consignment can be moved and transported to the Sonepar warehouse,